In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, hit System, select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and then Gboard. Following that, after tapping on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit to access this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!